Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Monopoly Go locked game. To know how to fix or how to solve Monopoly Go locked game, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will search about Monopoly Go and you will enter. Then in this list of app info you will enter to first stop and we click OK. Here we'll go to click storage, then we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone. You will wait 3 seconds and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.